Alright, here is my unboxing of God of War. I've been waiting for this game for a very long time. I just received it from GameStop a couple moments ago, and I'm going to cover my address, obviously, because I want to obviously protect my name. But yeah, there's the address for GameStop, so you can see clearly I opened up the package. I definitely noticed something the moment I opened it. I don't know if you can hear that. It sounds like the disc isn't even in there. I mean, like, it's in there, but it's like all screwed up. Like, it's not in the actual holder itself. So I'm going to use my trusty little pen here, and then I'm going to attempt to open this very carefully. I'm in the car, by the way, too. Decided that I was going to open up this in the car because the minute I got it, I'm like, yay! So, I'm just getting a little bit of the corner out because I don't want to go too deep or hard on it. So, okay. Trying to do this with one hand is not fun. I do not recommend this. Okay, there's that. Alright. Take the good plastic off. Yeah, good plastic. Alright. Now, the unveil. Oh yeah, it's not even in the thing. Oh yeah, it's got scratches on it. Look at that one up there. That's a huge scratch. Somebody threw it in, didn't even think about looking. I mean, I don't know if you guys could see that, but I mean, that's freaking huge. I will attempt to put it in and see if it works. But I will be sending this video to GameStop, letting them know the situation as I opened it up, so they could see that I opened it up right on camera. And there's a huge scratch on the game, and I'm concerned when that happens that the game actually loads and works. It says comes with a pre-order loot crate. Hey everybody, Paranormal Video Gamer here. So, you guys just finished watching my unboxing of God of War, obviously. I've been meaning to post this video for a while, but because of the situation with GameStop, I wanted to wait, because my copy of God of War with that scratch is not working correctly. Like, I'll get to a certain point in the game, I'll get maybe about 2 hours in, and then the game will completely shut down and freeze, and then close my game, and then I have to reload the game and go through the whole process of going again through the whole game. So I contacted GameStop on their website. I filled out their online form, and that was the day after I received my game, because I uploaded, my game, or I downloaded my game to the hard drive and, had it installed and stuff like that. And after that was all said and done and over with, I tried playing it. I got I think 3 hours in, and then the game froze and closed out the game. It basically, it's called a soft crash. It just stopped working, it crashed, and then it closed the game. So I waited until then to contact GameStop. I filled out their form, and there's been no reply from GameStop whatsoever on that particular post. I got an email confirming that it went to them, but no one has even looked at it. So I waited a couple days, about 5 days, from when, maybe 5-6 days, from when I placed my order and and filled out the uh, the contact us page. And I called today GameStop, and I talked to a representative over the phone, and pretty much the way it went down was this. She did not apologize for being patient and waiting from any representative to get a hold of me via email, phone call, something like that. You would think that after a couple of days, someone would contact me and say, "Hey, look, we got your message. We'd like to fix this as soon as possible, and do what we got to do to fix this." Well, like I said, no one had contacted me at all, so I called them, and I'm on the phone with them for 52 minutes, and I have the call log to prove it. It was at least 52 minutes that I'm on the phone waiting for a representative to talk to me about my order. So I think she apologized for me being on the phone for that long, but not for being patient and waiting for someone to contact me at all. So she basically tells me they're going to send me a replacement. I'm like, okay, cool. How long is it going to be? A day? Then she tells me over the phone it's going to be 5 to 7 days for a replacement. Hold on. You want me to wait another week just to get a replacement game? So essentially that's 2.5 weeks that I'm going to get a replacement game? Total. I mean, like, from pre-order to, getting another copy of a game. That's two weeks. So 14 days, more than 14 days probably, because by the time they ship it out, it's going to take 2 or 3 days, because when I pre-ordered, it took them 3 days to ship out my game. So that's going to be anywhere between 14 to 17 days from when before I pre-ordered. And I'm thinking, holy crap, that's a long freaking time. So I talked to the lady and I said, well, what about getting a credit, for being patient and waiting? I mean, every single time that I've had a GameStop order get messed up, they sent me a credit for being patient. The last time that I got a credit, I think it was like $20, but I mean, still, that's, for being patient and saying, hey, I waited patiently. I waited a long time for somebody to contact me, and that should be something that I should be entitled to. The lady said that she couldn't authorize that, and I'm like, okay. That's kind of weird because I've had it happen before. Like, I've ordered games from their website online and gotten the wrong game. This has happened multiple times where I've gotten the wrong game in the case. Like, for example, I ordered, what was it? Gears of War 2. And ended up getting Gears of War 1. And I already had a copy of Gears of War 1. So I contacted them. They gave me a copy of Gears of War 2. And they gave me, I think it was a $20 credit, or maybe it was a $30 credit in GameStop credit on my account because of the screw-up. So I'm thinking, since when have they not done a credit to the person that's been waiting very, very, very patiently for someone to contact them? And they didn't even contact me. I had to go contact them. There's no way of knowing how long it would have taken them to get back to me if I had not made that phone call today. So I'm scratching my head after doing the unboxing video, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna send this to GameStop. I'm blown away. I've been a loyal GameStop person for a long time. A long time. I have, ever since before they were Funkoland. I've been a GameStop person. Like, I would go into their store and especially the local store here, I would go in like every other weekend or every 2 weeks just to see what they have and pick up a game or you know uh, pick up an accessory that I need for my system. I'm just blown away that at this point they didn't even offer me anything for being patient and waiting and me having to take the initiative to contact them. I shouldn't have had to do that. They should have contacted me like 2 days after I sent them an email. They should have contacted me and said, hey, look, we're sorry, we're going to fix this problem. And no one did that. No one contacted me whatsoever. I kept checking my email on a daily basis. I checked my spam folder on a daily basis, and there's been no representation whatsoever. Suffice to say, I am disappointed, GameStop. I really am. Um, I bought God of War as a pre-order because I really wanted the game, and I was looking forward to playing the game for the remainder of the week. But now you're telling me that it's going to take me, a whole week just to get another copy. I'm just, oh my God. Like, seriously, GameStop, get your shit together. Power to the players. Yeah, right. Maybe power to the... We don't know what the hell we're doing. Obviously, because they don't know anything about customer service apparently anymore. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And again, I'm just disappointed by GameStop.